Listen to me.
Okay.
Where you from?
I'm from Croatia.
You from Croatia?
Yes, Habibi, come to Croatia.
Listen to me. Croatia is Europa, Africa, America, Canada, where?
Africa. South Africa.
South Africa?
See, Habibi.
Wow, you know you South Africa?
South Africa.
Wow, nice. South Africa is people, is black Africa, and the white Faranja, Musungu is mixed, is a living.
Croatia is in Africa, but we are white.
You love African people, black?
Yes.
Kiss me, okay. I have black. No, not kiss, fake, not fake kiss. Romantic.
Okay.
Look me, romantic kiss.
Okay.
Close eye.
Yay! Do you want to kiss me or not? Don't play with me. We Croatians don't play.
Yeah?
Don't play with me.
Don't like me, I am very
Do you want
like
me or not? Do you want me or not?
Oh, you very strong?
I am. See?
I look you, your family is under the table.
I am strong. Habibi, look. Habibi.
No panty?
You see?
Top one. Oh, you are top one? Nice. You are top one? Come here. Which top one country? Top one, I am. Look where I am. Check you. I am now.
Wait, I am strong.
Nothing. Never.
What never? What's that on your face?
This is my face, my normal, my natural,
Baby
my
powder?
born, my me.
What's up with that?
Minagaba.
What's up with that white thingy?
This is my face, my farang, my color.
Is it sunscreen?
Never.
Is it flour?
Yes.
Is it baby powder?
Not baby powder. I am baby people. Yeah?
Baby's butt.
No, this is color is a Trump color.
Is that gonna make you look young?
I am not young. I am grandmother. Oh no, grandfather. Okay.
Okay, I see.
If his game is finished, I punish you.
You can't punish me.
I give you what you finish.
I don't want to be punished.
You don't like?
I don't want to be punished.
Come
That
tomorrow.
wasn't the deal.
No, come tomorrow.
Huh?
Come, baby. Come.
What's a kufa? Kula. Kufa. What's a kufa or kula?
Don't know. My customer name.
So wait, never again. Who am I to you? I just want to know.
I say you respect me.
I'm trying to respect you, but who am I to you?
Where you from?
Me? New York City.
Yeah.
New York City. New York.
Who's Kula?
New York City. New York.
Oh, New York City. You are coming from New York City?
Yeah. I live in New York City.
Yes, I know. I want you my girlfriend. You are boy. My time boy and my family is waiting. Girlfriend, my me is coming which minute. You are now expired. Go sleeping under the table. Come tomorrow 5 o'clock USA. 5 o'clock USA Emirates.
Do you understand what he said?
All I know is something about being under the table, sleeping at 5 p.m., come back, and you and him going on a date, and something about family. I think.
Yes.
So
Because of my girlfriend, she is my girlfriend is coming from USA. Los Angeles is want you dancing from is
Wait,
going
girlfriend?
something. Huh?
Who's your girlfriend?
You. Whoosh.
Oh, me?
So wait, how long you guys been together now? Just out of curiosity, how long you been together?
I guess a minute.
Yo, Jen, you cheat?
3 years ago.
So you
3
cheat
years
or
ago,
no?
She is 3 years ago my me.
I gotta confess to something.
What do you gotta confess? Confess it.
I've been cheating on you.
Never again. You've been cheated on.
You don't outside?
Huh?
I remove you or I block you or you going.
I'm just kidding. It's a prank.
Shut your mouth. You are close mouth. I am talking this is boy. Hey.
Who are you talking to
when
like that? You're not gonna talk to me like that. The fuck? I'm the man in the relationship. I'm the man, not you.
That's crazy. Never again. You gonna let her talk to you like that? Personally speaking?
Yes, I am now under the table, all under the table. Go. Wow, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Where you're from, baby?
I'm from Sweden. Where are you from?
You from Sweden?
Yes.
I am from USA.
Oh, nice. Nice.
You want me?
Huh?
You want me?
If I want what?
Watermelon apple. Stand up, I look you something, baby. Stand up small. Small stand up, please.
No.
Please stand up. I am looking. My eye might look something professional here.
You good?
Yes.
Okay, good. How old are you?
21 years old underage.
21?
21 years old underage.
I'm so confused.
You look like me, boy or girl.
Huh?
You look like me, boy or girl.
If I'm a boy or a girl?
What are you look like me?
I don't understand.
Whoosha. I am speaking English. No understand why.
No. I don't understand.
You are memory not searching English.
That is not English.
Okay. Promise me, I promise you.
Promise you what?
One game play for me.
Okay.
After finish play for me,
Yeah.
I give you punishment.
No.
Why?
Because you have a lot more people on your side and I have no chance against you.
Oh, no, not dangerous punish. Kiss and romantic.
Oh, you want me to give you a kiss?
Yes, romantic kissing and nice and professional.
I can give you a kiss.
Yes, kissing, romantation, and the loving, and the coming, and after finishing is coming next marriage, wedding, children coming.
No. No, you know what? No, I'm not. No. I don't want to marry anyone.